There's goats up on top of the roof right there. See them? This is slamming target right here. Hot soil, man. I'm in full tones, deep program. I just want to hit some iron here. I want to know where the iron's at, right? Minus 6.4 discrimination. That is a really good target right here. That is sounding really freaking good, man. Oh, what do we got going on here? It's a bottle cap. Oh, my. It's the best target I've had so far here yet, so. But I've been digging up nothing but iron. I just came over here just to look for some stuff on the side of the house here, where the grass isn't so tall. The roots, or the, it's really overgrown in the front of the house there. I would love to come through here with a weed eater, dude. Tear this place apart, man. Deer scat or deer poop everywhere here. You really like it up there, don't they? Oh, there's a walkway right here. It's a walkway, man. It's a concrete walkway right here, dude. Oh, there's some old jugs over there too. Oh my God. There's old jugs right there, right on the back of the house. Old mason jars too. Some old ass wine jugs. Something big right there. Yeah, overload. There's a well right there. Yeah, I just don't know, dude.
I got that. Who in the heck are you? I've never seen you here before.
Wow, man. Some old ass wine jugs right there. You protecting the wine jugs? Now that old well cap right there. Gotta be really careful over here, right? What the heck is that? It's some, I don't know what it is. It's the wire. There's a wire going in there somewhere. Overload. What the heck is this? It looks like a mattress or something. Yeah. It's a sleeping bag. Look at that old sleeping bag, man. It's a sleeping bag that's been sitting there for a long time, man. Yeah, that's awesome, man. This stuff is brutal, man. This stuff is brutal. Huge overload. I still gotta dig it up though. At least it's something, right? At least it's something. Oh man. Oh, I just destroyed it, whatever it is. Some iron. Wow, that house is full of stuff too, man. Dude, check it out, man. Wow, dude. That's epic, man. Look at that old dress right there, dude. That's sick, man. It's full of stuff, man. Oh, my Lord. That's killer, man. That's crazy, man. Oh, this stuff is so hard to get through. Oh, come on. Man, it's brutal right here. I would love to come back through here in the winter time. And all this grass is dead, right? I think that's what's going to have to happen because we've already gone over a lot of this area that we can go over because it's just so overgrown. I'm gonna change my modes here. I'm just trying to go too deep right here, right? Trying to go way too deep. Just going to hot program right here. Just stock hot, right? Or almost stock hot. Big iron, right? Slamming target right here. Oh, something big. Of course, it's gonna be something big. That's all I've been getting, just big stuff here, right? But you never know, it could be a jar full of gold coins, man. Oh, man. This ground is just brutal, bright red soil here. Come on, get over there. Yeah, there's gonna be some junk in this, the plug there, and down there too. Looks like we're down there, but it's up here. Whatever it is, pop can probably. Yeah, it's a pop can. Yeah. This place is tough, man. This place is tough to dig in. But not this winter. This winter, all this stuff will be down, man. Yeah, this stuff's just brutal over here, man. Just brutal. This stuff is so tall, so hard to get through, but I really wanted to hit this spot today. Just for a little while. Ouch. Sticker brush, man. Got me.
Mason jar lid.
You got a mason jar lid? I wouldn't get too close to this tree, man. That thing looks scary, dude. This rock looks cool, though. That rock's been sitting there for a long
Oh,
time.
that thing ain't doing nothing. That's 100 years old. 200 years
What does your mason jar look like? Did it have an insert in it?
old. It was broke.
Oh, it was broke. Yep. Oh, yeah.
Here's another one, I think.
Looks like you're in a hot spot, dude. You're in a hot spot, man.
Think this can be another one.
Yeah, probably another one. It's just about impossible not to break those things, man. Where the heck did it go?
Right down there.
Ooh, you don't have gloves on, huh? Freaking stickers, man. Those dandelions, man.
Nothing that can get rid of that.
Wicked.
Keep up. He ain't coming. I might. Hope he does.
You got it right there, dude. Something small. Yeah, it's probably the rest of the mason jar lid.
Wasn't even in this hole.
It's a nail. I see it as a nail.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right there. Square nail? Yep.
Square nail.
Nice square nail, too.
Can't get used to putting my thing back in here.
Oh, I got it. Some stickers inside of my freaking boot, man.
I might check right around this tree and then we probably might as well go, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of it too. I'm gonna take a picture of inside that house. It's crazy.
Inside?
Yeah, from the outside.
Oh.
Inside. Yeah, just a nail. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.